Known for his photorealistic graffiti work, Smug is an Australian contemporary street artist of great skill residing in Glasgow. Using nothing but spray cans, he's able to gain mastery over the difficult task of making highly technical pieces that are somehow edgy, cheeky, and incredibly playful. This piece, created for the Big Picture Fest in 2018, depicts a skeleton with a fairy wren perched on its finger and touches on all those themes. An exploration of life and death, Untitled instantly captures the attention of viewers with a certain amount of shock value upon seeing the amazingly lifelike skeleton. Staring at a vivid blue fairy wren landing on his finger, the skeleton displays a sense of harmlessness and fascination at life, upon further inspection quickly revealing Smug's playful, somewhat dark and ever-present sense of humour. In order to recreate absolute realism, artists usually have a lot of time on their hands, tiny and precise brushes, and a quiet workspace where no one will disturb them. Those are the three things that graffiti artists rarely have at their disposal, and yet some of them, Smug being the perfect example, are able to create amazing large-scale wall pieces that look like they could be photographs. This is hardly a compliment of greater significance for any artist attempting to work in photorealism.